Hello everyone, how are you? Wish you well. We are here with excellent useful words, 1,000 useful words, build vocabulary and literacy skills. And I have to say that it's true that this book is for children, but I'm sure these 1,000 useful words are practical for everyone. Okay, so don't worry about that. So let's start. Here we have some of the contents: me and my body, my family and friends, things to wear, food and drink, and in this book we have about 5 stories too. We can see how many subjects we have. In this book we learn all of them. Okay, lesson 1. Me and my body. My body. Okay? What color are your eyes? Your eyes. These are eyes. So eyes that are part of our body that we can see with them. Okay? Some people's eyes are green, some of them are blue, and some of them are brown. Is your hair long or short? Is your hair long like most of the girls and short hair like most of the boys? This boy in this picture has a short hair. Short hair. Okay, face. Face. Eye. Ear. We can hear with our ear. Mouth. Mouth. Nose. Our nose. We breathe with them. Teeth. Teeth. Chest. Fingers. We have 10 fingers. Foot. Foot. Thumb. Thumb. Hands. We have 2 hands. Head. Head. Hair. Hair. As we said, some people have short hair and some people have long hair. Most of the women have long hair and most of the men have short hair. Neck. Neck. Back. Back. Arm. Arm. We have 2 arms. Bottom. Bottom. Leg. Leg. We have 2 legs. Toes. Toes. We have 10 fingers, and for our foot we have 10 toes. Look at the bottom of the page. Taking care of myself. Hairbrush. Hairbrush. We brush our hair with hairbrush. Soap. Soap. We wash our hands with soap. Shampoo. Shampoo. We wash our hair with shampoo. Sunblock. Sunblock means something that we use it for our skin to protect from the sun. Sunblock and sunscreen have same meaning. Sunblock, sunscreen. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Tissues. Tissues. For blowing my nose. Tissues. For example, you have cold and you use tissues for blowing your nose. Okay, things I do. I can sit. Sit. Stand. Stand. Walk. Walk. Talk. Chatter. Chatter means two people are speaking with each other. Listen. Listen. Laugh. He. Laughing. Jump. Jump. Dance. Dance. Roll. Roll. Stretch. Stretch. Balance. Balance. Bend. Stamp. Stamp. Clap. Clap. Wave. Wave. Okay, on the bottom of the page, my senses. Senses means feelings. Touching, touch. With touch you can understand something is hard or is soft. Seeing. You can see sky, you can see trees, you can see many things. Hearing. Tasting. When you taste a fruit and you understand it's sweet, it's sour, or what? Smelling. For example, she's smelling the flower. Next page, my family and friends. I love my family. Grandparents. Grandma, granny, grandmother, nana, nan. For saying grandma, you can use all these words. Parents. For example, my parents means my mom, my mother, and my dad. Means my mother and my father, or my mom and my dad. Mom, mommy, mother, mama, ma. For saying mother, we can use all these words. Dad, pa, daddy, father, papa, pop. And for saying dad, we can use all these words. Cousins. Sister, brother, child, baby. Siblings. For example, your sisters and brothers, you can call them siblings, my siblings. On the bottom of the page, who is the oldest person? This is person in your family. Who is the oldest person in your family? Oldest. For example, our grandparents, your grandma or your grandpa are the oldest. On the next page, grandpa. We can say granddad, grandfather, grandpop, gramps. This all means grandpa. Relatives. Relatives means your family, your uncle, your siblings, your cousins, your auntie. These all are your relatives. Aunt, auntie. Sister of your mom and sister of your dad, we call them aunt or auntie. Uncle. The brother of your mom or brother of your dad is uncle. Son, and daughter. When someone's kid is a boy, we can say son. For example, her son. When someone's child is a girl, we use daughter. Nephew and niece. Son of your sister or son of your brother, we call them nephew. But the daughter of your sister or the daughter of your brother, we call them niece. And all of them are children. Pets. Animals that you keep in your house, we call them pets. Like rabbits, like cats, like dog. You have a rabbit, you have a cat, you have a dog, even sometimes you have a pirate, we call them pets. Friends. For example, I love my friends. Friends are the people who you always talk with them and you have a good relation, and also you always help each other. These are friends. Twins. For example, someone have two children, they are at the same age and born at the same time. They are twins. And look at the bottom of the page. Who is the youngest? Who is the youngest? For example, you say, my sister or my brother are the youngest. Okay, we finished part 1. Thanks for watching us. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.